In almost every sales negotiation or customer interaction, something very interesting happens. While you're trying to create value and build trust, your customer is silently trying to protect themselves. They want to stay in control, avoid risk, and not feel like they're being sold to. And when you combine that with their past bad buying experiences, you get one universal truth. Customers rarely reveal their true needs at the beginning. Now, as you already know, if you can't uncover their emotional needs, if you don't know what truly drives their decisions, you can't sell effectively. And even if you do close a deal, it's probably just luck, not skill. Most salespeople fail not because they lack enthusiasm, but because they don't know how to discover what the customer really wants. That's exactly what this lesson is about. Today, I'll show you a powerful technique, a method that helps you find the hidden needs of your customers, develop them deeply, and then fill those needs with your solution through a process called gap analysis, or what I like to call it dramatizing the problem. Your mission as a salesperson is not to push your product, but to play detective. You're investigating your customer's situation, searching for gaps, hidden frustrations, and unspoken desires that your product or service can fill. Sometimes that means using a magnifying glass, especially when the deal is big. And humorously speaking, sometimes you even need a microscope to help them see the viruses crawling around their current problems. But let's stay practical. Your real goal is to find the gap between your customer's current situation and their ideal situation after using your solution. Step 1. Identify the gap clearly. During your conversation, prepare a list of key emotional questions. Listen carefully, not just to the words, but to the tone, the hesitation, and the emotion behind them. Pay attention to adjectives and nouns they use. Those reveal hidden emotions, desires, and fears. The more they talk, the more they reveal what truly matters to them. And once you identify that emotional gap, ask deeper questions. Help your customer realize and even admit that the problem exists, that it's affecting them more than they thought. Because until they admit the pain, they won't seek the solution. Step 2. Expand the gap. Once you've found the gap, make it bigger. Ask sharp, focused questions. Highlight the consequences of not solving the problem. Show them the real cost of staying the same. Your goal is to help them feel the urgency, to realize that their small issue might actually be blocking major progress, causing lost revenue, stress, or missed opportunities. This isn't manipulation. This is awareness. It's like a doctor running tests and revealing the hidden illness, not to scare the patient, but to motivate them to take action. In fact, this is a principle in psychology and medicine known as the 40-60 rule. 40% of the cure comes from diagnosis and 60% from treatment. But if you don't diagnose the problem deeply, no treatment can truly help. So in sales, it's the same. Diagnose before you prescribe. Find the emotional gap. Expand it with empathy and clarity. And then, fill it with your product, your service, your solution. Because selling isn't about convincing people to buy. It's about helping them realize what they truly need. And my friend, once you master this art, you'll stop chasing customers. They'll start chasing you.